Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 new most useful Amazon kitchen gadgets this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Prep works by Progressive 3-quart space-saving folding. Collapsible Drainer is an impressive tool designed for both convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. Measuring a compact 8 into 5 into 2 inches and weighing just 1 pound, this drainer seamlessly blends functionality with space-saving design. One of its standout features is the collapsible capability, which allows users to easily store it away when not in use, making it highly suitable for kitchens with limited counter space. The product's solid construction assures reliability, and given the positive feedback with 5.13 ratings averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars, it is clear that many users find great value in this kitchen essential. This drainer stands at a prominent position in the market, ranking number 5.319 in kitchen alts dining and number 10 in salad spinners, indicating its widespread popularity and effectiveness compared to competitors. Its straightforward approach to food drainage ensures that salads, fruits, or vegetables.
The Professional Meat Thermometer. Digital from Thermometer stands out as a reliable option for both home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. With its sleek red and gray design, this thermometer not only looks good but also ensures precision in your cooking endeavors. One of the standout features is its fast reading system, providing temperature readings in just 0.5 seconds. This rapid response is essential for those who want to minimize door opening times in grilling or smoking scenarios. Coupled with its high accuracy, boasting a margin of error of just plus 0.5 plus 0.3, users can trust that they're getting precise readings for perfect cooking results. The IP67 waterproof rating adds another layer of practicality, allowing for easy cleanup and increased durability. Whether you're caught in a splash or accidentally drop it during a busy cooking session, this thermometer is built to withstand the test. In addition to its robust features, the brighter backlit display enhances visibility.
The Cuisinart Panini Press stands out as an excellent addition to any kitchen, appealing to both novice cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. Constructed from brushed stainless steel, it boasts a sleek and modern design that not only enhances your kitchen aesthetics but also promises durability. Weighing in at 5.2 kilograms, its solid build ensures stability while cooking, making it a reliable companion for various culinary tasks. Equipped with a powerful 1500-watt motor, the Cuisinart Panini Press heats up quickly, allowing for efficient cooking. Whether you're grilling a classic panini or experimenting with new recipes, the press delivers even heat distribution.
The Atexity Food Kitchen Scale is a robust and reliable addition to any kitchen, blending functionality with a modern aesthetic. Its stainless steel construction not only ensures durability, but also makes it easy to clean, an essential feature for any food preparation area. The scale caters to a diverse range of uses, from weighing ingredients for cooking to measuring parcels and even pet food, making it a versatile tool for everyday needs. One of the standout features of this scale is its backlit LCD display, which enhances visibility, ensuring accurate readings even in low-light conditions. The clear numeric readouts minimize any chances of miscalculations, promoting efficiency and precision in your measuring tasks. The scale is user-friendly. A simple touch of a button allows you to switch between units, which can be particularly helpful when dealing with various recipes or packages. Additionally, the design is sleek and compact, allowing for easy storage without taking.
The Cuisinart coffee grinder presents an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient grinding solution. With its sleek stainless steel design, this grinder not only complements any kitchen decor, but is also built to last, promising durability and functionality. Measuring 10.75 inches in length, 7.13 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, it boasts a compact form factor that fits well on countertops without consuming excessive space. This makes it ideal for home use, whether you have a dedicated coffee station or simply want it integrated into your daily routine. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Supreme Grind model is its precision grinding capability. It allows users to select from various grind consistencies, accommodating everything from espresso to French press. This versatility ensures that coffee lovers can enjoy their brew just the way they prefer, highlighting the importance of grind size in achieving optimal flavor extract.